They're going to share something with you. And it's what to do when somebody comes at you with just real intensity. And maybe they're actually in a crisis, maybe. And maybe they need an answer right away. And suddenly what happens? Suddenly your body is rushing in there too. And you feel like you have to fix whatever their problem is. Their problem is suddenly your problem. You have to make a decision for them. Or you have to agree with them, whatever that they need, give in to whatever they need. But before you do any of that, pause for a second. Feel your feet on the floor, wiggle your toes. And then ask yourself, is this my urgency? Or am I feeling theirs? Their problem may actually be real. Their fear may actually be real. And you know what? They may actually be in a crisis. It's okay. And it may actually be really important to them. But even then, their intensity is not automatically an instruction for your body to panic with them. Sometimes another person's urgency lands into your system like a job that you have to take on. Especially if you've learned to keep the peace and manage other people's moods through your entire life. Your nervous system may hear intensity and say, move, fix it, do something. But you can pause before you take that job on. Feel your feet and ask what's actually mine here. And maybe you can help. Or maybe there's not enough information here to make a decision. Maybe they need to actually come back to you when they have more bandwidth and they've calmed down a little bit. It doesn't mean that you don't care. It doesn't. It just means that you're choosing your response instead of being pulled into theirs. And their urgency can be real. It can. That's fine. And you can still decide what is yours to carry. What we're learning is how to care without carrying. And taking a pause does not mean that you're abandoning them. It means you are including yourself before you decide what you can truly offer. And when your response comes from steadiness instead of panic, it's usually kinder for both of you. So practice that. Next time somebody rushes in a panic, and you'll see.